Hello friends, myself Gitanjali Gadri, Assistant Professor in Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu College. Our topic is correlation. Meaning of correlation is the degree of relationship between variables under consideration is measured through the correlation. The measure of correlation called the correlation coefficient. It is denoted by R. The degree of relationship is expressed by coefficient which range from correlation -1 less than equal to or less than equal to 1 means -1 to +1. The direction of change is indicated by a sign. The correlation analysis enable us to have an idea about the degree and direction of the relationship between the two variables under study. Correlation is a statistical tool that helps to measure and analyze the degree of relationship between two variables. Correlation analysis deals with the association between two or more variables. It is indicated by a sign plus or minus. The uses of correlation is first use is it is used in deriving the degree and direction of relationship within the variable. It is used in reducing the range of uncertainty and matter of prediction. Next use is it is used in presenting the average relationship between any two variables through a single value of coefficient of correlation. Next use is in the field of science and philosophy. These methods are used for making progressive conclusions. Types of correlation is it is three types of correlation on the basis of degree of correlation. Next is on the basis of number of variables. Third is on the basis of linearity. First type is on the basis of degree of correlation. It is divided into two types, positive correlation and negative correlation. Second, on the basis of number of variables, it is divided into three parts, simple correlation, partial correlation and multiple correlation. On the basis of linearity, it is divided into two parts, linear correlation and non-linear correlation. The method for studying correlation, then first method is scatter diagram. This is a graphical method of studying the correlation between two variables. One of the variable is shown in the x-axis and other on the variable is y-axis. Each pair of values is plotted on the graph by means of a dot mark. After all the atoms are plotted, we get as many dots on the graph paper as the number of points. If these points show some trend either upward or downward, then the two variables are said to be correlated. If the point do not show any trend, the two variables are not correlated. Then first diagram is perfect positive correlation. Then correlation coefficient value is 1 means R is equal to 1, and this graph shows in upward trend means increasing order. Then this is also known as perfect positive correlation. Second graph shows in downward trend means decreasing order, and the correlation coefficient value is R is equal to -1. Then this is known as perfect negative correlation. Next diagram is it is a upward trend in show this graph, then increasing order, and correlation coefficient value is 0 to 1 means 0 less than R less than 1. Then it is also known as high degree positive correlation. Next graph is show the downward trend, then means decreasing order of the points, and correlation coefficient value is -1 less than R less than 0 means range is -1 to 0. Then this is known as high degree negative correlation. Then next graph show is it is also upward trend means correlation coefficient value is 0 to 1 means 0 less than R less than 1. Then it is known as low degree positive correlation. Then next graph shows it is also downward trend means decreasing order of correlation. Then correlation coefficient value is -1 less than R less than 0 means range is -1 to 0. It is known as low degree negative correlation. And last graph is it is the graph shows is scatter points. Then it is also x and y are not correlated and correlation coefficient value is 0. Then it is also known as no correlation, that is no correlation graph. Thank you friends.